Butane reacts with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet radiation to form a mixture of organic products. Which equation shows a propagation step in the mechanism for this reaction? A. Cl2 makes two Cl radicals. B. A Cl radical and a C4H8Cl radical make C4H8Cl2. C. C4H9Cl and a Cl radical make C4H8Cl2 and a hydrogen radical. D. A Cl radical and C4H9Cl make C4H8Cl as a radical and HCl. This question is asking about free radical substitution and the steps in its mechanism. The equation we're given for A is known as an initiation step, and it's where radicals are made for the mechanism. So we can eliminate A as our possible answer. Then looking at the equation for B, this equation is a termination step, and it's where two radicals combine to make a single organic product. So we can also eliminate B from our possible answers. Now we're left with C and D. Both C and D involve a radical and an organic compound, and they're forming an organic product and a radical. However, looking at C, we're producing a hydrogen radical, and that is very unlikely in free radical substitution. It's much more likely that you would form hydrochloric acid, or HCl, and C4H8Cl as a radical, which would then continue in your second propagation step, where this radical would then react with chlorine. So we can eliminate C as it's very unlikely we're going to form a hydrogen radical, and much more common, much more predictable that we're going to end up with hydrochloric acid and C4H8Cl as our radical in our propagation step. So we then write D in the answer box that we're given. To get the mark for this question, you must write D in the answer box provided.